the Lorentz transformation equation. The Lorentz transformation equation. We have to introduce new transformation equation which are consistent with the new concept of the invariance of light velocity in free space. The new transformation equation were discovered by Lorentz and are known as Lorentz transformation. The new transformation equation were discovered by Lorentz and are known as Lorentz transformation. Now consider 2 points. Now consider 2 points O and O dash. Consider 2 points O and O dash like observers. O and O dash observers in two system S and S prime. S and S prime. System S is moving. System S is moving with a constant velocity v. System S is moving with constant velocity v. Relative to system S. Along the positive direction. X axis. Suppose we make the measurements of time from the instant when the origin of S and S prime just coincide, that is t equal to 0. This this prime and this prime is coincide. We have t equal to 0. When O prime and O dash prime is coincide. Suppose a light pulse is emitted when O and O dash coincide. The light pulse produced at a t equal to 0. A light pulse produced at t equal to 0 will separate out as a growing sphere. The radius of the wave front produced in this wave will grow with the speed c. After a time t, the observer O will note that the light has reached a point P. X, Y, Z. From the figure, the distance of the point P is given by the distance of the point P is given by R equal to Ct. So R square equal to X square plus Y square plus Z square. Hence X square plus Y square plus Z square is equal to C square into T square. So R equal to C into T. So we have C square into T square. This is equation number 1. Similarly, the observer O dash will note that the light has reached the same point P. In a time t dash with the same velocity c. So r dash is equal to c into d dash. So we have x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square is equal to c square t dash square. This is equation number 2. Now equating 1 and 2 must be equal. Now equating 1 and 2 must be equal, since both the observer are at the center of the same expanding wave front. So x square plus y square plus z square minus c square into t square is equal to x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square minus c square into t dash square. This is equation number 3. Since there is no motion in the y and z, since the motion is only x direction, so there is no motion, and there is no motion. So we have there is no motion in the y and z direction. So y dash is equal to y and z dash is equal to z. So equation 3 becomes x square minus c square into t square is equal to x dash square minus c square t dash square is equation number 4. The transformation equation relating to x and x prime, x and x dash can be written as x dash is equal to k into x minus vt. This is equation number 5, where k is constant. The reason for trying the above relation is that the transformation must reduce to Galilean transformation. For low speed, v very less than c. V is very less than c. So similarly, let us assume that t dash is equal to a into t minus bx. Here a and b are constants. Substituting these values for x dash and t dash in equation 4. In equation 4, we have x square minus c square into t square is equal to k square into x minus vt square, x minus vt square minus c square into a square into t minus bx square. That is x square minus c square into t square is equal to k square minus c square into a square into b square into x square minus 2 into k square into v minus c square a square into b into x into t minus a square minus k square v square divided by c square into c square into t square. This is equation number 7. Equating this equation, the coefficient of corresponding terms in equation 7. So k square minus c square into a square p square is equal to 1. K square minus c square a square b square equal to 1. K square k square c square, k square minus c square, a square b square into equal to 1. So k square into b minus c square into a square into b is equal to 0. This is equation number 9. So a square minus k square b square, a square minus k square b square divided by c square. Okay, k square b square divided by c square equal to 1. This is equation number 10. Solving the above equation for k, a and b, we get k equal to a equal to 1 by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. This is equation number 11. K equal to a equal to 1 by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square equal to equation number 11. 1 by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. This is equation number 11. And b equal to v by c square. B equal to v by c square. So we have b equal to v by c square. So substituting these values of k, a and b in equation 5 and 6, we have x dash is equal to x minus vt divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square, and t dash is equal to t minus vx divided by c square divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. Therefore, the Lorentz transformation equation are x dash is equal to x minus vt divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square, y dash equal to y dash equal to y, z dash equal to z, and t dash is equal to t minus vx divided by c square divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square minus root of 1 minus v square divided by 1 minus t dash is equal to t minus vx divided by c square whole divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. This is equation number 13. This is Lorentz transformation equation. This is Lorentz transformation equation. Next, the inverse Lorentz transformation are obtained. The inverse Lorentz transformation are obtained by interchanging the coordinates and replacing v by minus v in the above equation. V by minus v is equal to minus v. So we have x equal to x dash plus vt minus, there is minus, so minus v, so plus, so we have to plus, we have to minus symbol is plus, x dash plus vt dash divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square, y is equal to y dash, z is equal to z dash, and t is equal to t dash. The t is equal to t dash. There is t dash is the interchanging this, so t dash is t, so t is t dash. Okay, t is equal, t dash is t, so t is equal to t dash plus vx dash divided by c square whole divided by root of 1 minus v square divided by c square. This is inverse Lorentz transformation equation. This is inverse Lorentz transformation equation. Okay, thank you.